Alright, YouTube team, back with another unboxing. Today we're gonna do only an unboxing. This is my TUXEDO computer that I ordered from Germany, TUXEDO Computers. So we're just gonna unbox it. I just want to take a look at this thing to see how beautiful it's gonna be. Came in a nice package, solid black. We're gonna primarily look at the computer. Got the quality check by Tux. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, this thing has some weight to it. My main driver that I use daily is a Samsung 360 that I purchased a couple years ago, and it's just not holding up in terms of processing power to do my video edits. So I had this customized built. I'm going to share the specs with you in a screenshot, but let's just take a look at this beautiful piece of machinery. That's what we're here for. Got the classic TUXEDO logo. Didn't want to pay extra to get it removed, so I left it. Got your standard USB, USB-C, 3mm jack on the side. Look at that. This is the InfinityBook Pro 15. Got your grills for your fan. I love this, having an Ethernet on the back. Absolutely love that. And you got your USB-C here, HDMI. This thing has some weight to it, and I'll open it up if y'all want me to. I don't know if I've seen a video with anybody opening it up, this version yet, but if y'all want me to, please leave a comment. Oh, it's not just plastered. All right, I'm gonna pull it up so you can see it up close. One thing I'm excited about is the fact that this thing has a matte screen. Can't tell you how much I love matte screens. Look at that, no reflection. That's a dream for me. Some really nice weight. I love the feel of this. Does a 180, not 360, but I can live with that. Very nice. All right, when I come back, oh, look at that. On the other side, we have two USB ports, two standard USB ports, and an SD card reader. Beautiful. All right, I'll set it down here so you can take one final look at it. See if we can do the one finger. Yep, one finger works. Get a look at it from all angles. And in the next video, I'll make sure to turn it on, and we're going to walk through that OS. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, leave your comments below. Let me know what you want me to do with this thing. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I'll see you in the next one. All right, so this is a look at everything that came in the box. Got your paperwork, instruction manuals, the power brick, power extension cable. It also included a USB drive, which I didn't purchase. Hopefully I didn't get charged for it. Not sure what the capacity is, but it's pretty cool. It has the TUXEDO logo on it. And also in your pink pouch is the Intel stickers. That's all I can see without opening it up, but I'll talk more about it in the full video. So yeah, that's basically it. Excited to get this thing set up. See y'all in the next one.